Okay, let's start in the second trial. What does the agile model emphasizes? What does the agile model emphasize? Okay, the answer is eh, collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. Okay, here's the answer. Okay, next. What waterfall model phase that used for verifying that components work together? Okay, the answer is integration and testing. Okay, correct. Okay. What key agile methodologies that uses a visual board to track progress and workflow? Okay, the answer is pass. O kabalo. Kanban. Okay. What is the primary focus of the Kanban methodology? Okay. Okay. Visualizing and tracking progress. Okay. Is the answer correct? Next question is what type of approach does the waterfall model focus? What type of approach does the waterfall models approach? Okay, linear and sequential. Okay, linear and sequential. Questions. What are the two models that has two distinct approaches of software development, each with its own methodologies? Okay, the answer is waterfall and agile. Okay, that's the question. Answer. It is an agile model that iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments and also called sprints. Okay? Correct, right? Okay, that's the answer, sprints. Questions. Which phase of the waterfall model involves coding? Okay? Which phase of the waterfall model involves codings? Okay, implementation. Okay, correct? Implementation. Name one key agile methodology. Name one key agile methodology. One key agile methodology. Scrum or Kanban. Wrong. Extreme programming. The answer is extreme programming. Mistake. Okay. What strength of the waterfall model that each phase is well defined, making it easier to manage and document? Okay. The answer is clear structure. Okay. Tips. Okay. Answer is clear structure. Okay. Questions. What waterfall model phase that used for verifying that components work together? Okay. What's this? Okay. It is integration and testing. Okay. Okay. We're correct. Next question. What is the primary focus of the Kanban methodology? Okay, the answer is visualizing and tracking progress. Okay, let's see if you're correct. Okay, we're correct. Okay, next, what does the agile model emphasize? What does the agile model emphasize? Pass. Dun on the answer. What's the answer? Collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. Oh, kataas. Okay, that's the answer. Next question. Which phase of the waterfall model involves coding? Implementation. Okay? Implementation. Last question for 15. What strength of the waterfall model that each phase is well defined, making it easier to manage and document? What strength of the waterfall model that each phase is well defined, making it easier to manage and document? Ah, Clear structure. Okay, correct. Okay, that's the end of our second trial.